Hello everyone, this is Salar and you are watching tutorials on JavaScript. This is our first tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to give you some basic info about the environment I'm using. I will also show you where do we place JavaScript code and the methods that we will be using for printing out our result. Right, so the program that I'm using is VS Code. VS Code is easy to use and a very reasonable IDE. It's totally free to use development program that you can download and install on your computer. Okay, so that was the first thing. We are going to use VS Code in our JavaScript tutorials. And the second thing is how to place JavaScript in the HTML. So there are three different ways to do that. Number one is you can add JavaScript directly to any HTML tag. Number two is you can put JavaScript code inside the script tag, and that script tag you place inside the body of your HTML document. As you can see on the screen, I have some JavaScript code inside the script tag, and the script tag is placed inside the body of the HTML document. Another option is you can have your JavaScript code in a separate file, and then you link that file to your HTML document. So the first option, where you put JavaScript code directly inside the HTML tag, is not a good practice because it makes your code hard to read and manage. And the second option, where you put JavaScript code in a script tag, is perfectly fine, that you also see on the screen. So in the beginning, we will use this option and put our JavaScript code inside the script tag. And when we will start learning JavaScript's function, then we will place JavaScript in a separate file, right? And the last thing that you need to know is we need some methods to print our results. And for that, we will use console.log and document.write. You can see both the methods on the screen and trying to print out a string hello. So how do we see the result of console.log and document.write? So document.write is going to print the result directly into the HTML document, and the console.log result we see in the dev tool. So just open a dev tool, and in the dev tool you will see a console tab. Click on it, and here you will see the result, right? So initially we are going to use these two methods to print our results. So now you just need to set up your environment, and once you are done you can jump onto the second part. I will see you there, and thanks for watching.